AI is advancing rapidly, but the main question is, which AI is the best? Is ChatGPT the top choice for all tasks? Or are there other AIs that perform better in certain areas? In this video, we will review 4 of the most powerful AIs available today, compare their features, and ultimately determine the best one. If you want to know which AI suits your needs, stay with us until the end of the video. One, ChatGPT, the all-purpose AI. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI models developed by OpenAI. It excels in text generation, answering questions, and even programming. Strengths: high natural language understanding. Its responses feel natural and human-like. Ability to code and solve complex problems. It can assist in writing various types of code. Learning from previous conversations. Performs better in longer discussions. Limitations: no real-time access to information unless connected to the internet. May occasionally provide incorrect information. 2. Gemini Google Bard, Google's powerful competitor. Gemini, also known as Bard, is Google's latest AI model, built on advanced language processing technology, with a strong focus on real-time data analysis. Strengths: access to the internet and up-to-date information, can retrieve real-time data. Seamless integration with Google services, great for users of Google Docs, Gmail, and other Google tools. Multimedia responses, can provide answers with text, images, or even analytical charts. Limitations: response quality can vary. Not as accurate or powerful as ChatGPT in coding tasks. 3. Claude, advanced AI from Anthropic. Claude is a new language model focused on security, accuracy, and understanding complex concepts. Strengths: highly accurate and low error rate, less likely to provide incorrect information compared to some other models. Emphasis on AI safety and ethics, ideal for users who prioritize reliability and trustworthiness. Better at handling long-form text, suitable for processing documents and articles. Limitations: more limited access compared to ChatGPT and Gemini. Not as strong as ChatGPT in coding or creative content generation. 4. Copilot, Microsoft's AI coding assistant. Developed by GitHub and OpenAI, Copilot is one of the best AI tools for programmers. Strengths: real-time code completion, speeds up the coding process significantly. Supports multiple programming languages, works with Python, JavaScript, C++, and many more. Seamless integration with VS Code and other IDEs, perfect for professional developers. Limitations: not suitable for general content creation. Sometimes provides incorrect coding suggestions. Now that we've reviewed these 4 AIs, it's time to choose the best one. But the truth is, the best option depends on your needs. If you need a powerful AI for text generation and programming, ChatGPT is the best choice. If you need real-time internet access, Gemini is a better option. If accuracy and security matter most to you, Claude is worth trying. If you're a programmer and need coding assistance, Copilot is the best fit. Each of these models has its own strengths and weaknesses. Now it's your turn. Which of these AIs have you tried?